Computer security risk. A computer security risk is any event or action that could cause a loss of or damage to computer hardware, software, data, information, or processing capability. Any illegal act involving a computer generally is referred to as a computer crime. A cybercrime is an online or internet-based illegal act. Hackers, crackers, script kiddies, corporate spies, unethical employees, cyber extortionists. Categories of cybercrime. Hacker refers to someone who accesses a computer or network illegally. Some hackers claim the intent of their security breaches is to improve security. Cracker also is someone who accesses a computer or network illegally but has the intent of destroying data, stealing information, or other malicious action. Both hackers and crackers have advanced computer and network skills. Script kiddie has the same intent as a cracker but does not have the technical skills and knowledge. Often use pre-written hacking and cracking programs to break into computers. Computer security risk. Computers and computer users are exposed to several types of security risks, as you can see in images. Internet and network attacks. Operating system runs much slower than usual. Available memory is less than expected. Files become corrupted. Screen displays unusual message or image. Music or unusual sound plays randomly. Existing programs and files disappear. Programs or files do not work properly. Unknown programs or files mysteriously appear. System properties change. Operating system does not start up. Operating system shuts down unexpectedly. How malware infects. Delivers its payload on a computer in a variety of ways when a user 1. Opens an infected file. 2. Runs an infected program. 3. Boots the computer with infected removable media inserted in a drive or plugged in a port. 4. Connects an unprotected computer to a network. 5. When a certain condition or event occurs, such as the computer's clock changing to a specific date. 6. When users opening infected email attachments. Preventing viruses and malware. Users can take several precautions to protect their home and work computers and mobile devices from these malicious infections. Preventing viruses and malware. 1. Never start a computer with removable media inserted in the drives or plugged in the ports, unless the media are uninfected. 2. Never open an email attachment unless you are expecting it and it is from a trusted source. Protect their home. 3. Set the macro security in programs so that you can enable or disable and work computers and mobile devices from these malicious infections macros. Enable macros only if the document is from a trusted source and you are expecting it. 4. Install an antivirus program on all of your computers. Update the software and the virus signature files regularly. 5. Scan all downloaded programs for viruses and other malware. 6. If the antivirus program flags an email attachment as infected, delete or quarantine the attachment immediately. 7. Before using any removable media, scan the media for malware. Follow this procedure even for shrink-wrapped software from major developers. Some commercial software has been infected and distributed to unsuspecting users. 8. Install a personal firewall program. 9. Stay informed about new virus alerts and virus hoaxes. Internet and network attacks. A firewall is hardware and/or software that protects a network's resources from intrusion. Firewall. Organizations use firewalls to protect network resources from outsiders and to restrict employees' access to sensitive data, such as payroll or personnel records. They can implement a firewall solution themselves or outsource their needs to a company specializing in providing firewall protection. Large organizations often route all their communications through a proxy server, which typically is a component of the firewall. A proxy server is a server outside the organization's network that controls which communications pass into the organization's network. Proxy servers use a variety of screening techniques. Some check the domain name or IP address of the message for legitimacy. Others require that the messages have digital signatures.